All right, let me tell you something. You think your garage is big? I've seen some big garages. But nothing prepares you for the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky plant, or TMMK, down in Georgetown. This place is enormous. We're talking about a facility so vast it feels like its own city, humming with a life and energy that's just incredible. They say a new car rolls off the assembly line about every 60 seconds. Think about that for a minute. By the time you finish your morning coffee, they've built a small army of brand new vehicles. It's a symphony of steel, sparks, and incredible precision, a place where American manufacturing is alive and kicking, and it's truly a sight to behold. So, what are they building in this massive place? They're making some of the most popular cars you see on the roads all across America. This is the home of the Toyota Camry, a car that has been a bestseller for decades. It's a reliable, solid vehicle that millions of families depend on every single day. They also build the sleek and luxurious Lexus ES, which brings a touch of high-end craftsmanship to the mix. And let's not forget about the future. They're also assembling the Ray V4 Hybrid, a vehicle that shows Toyota is serious about efficiency and cleaner driving for everyone. It's a real powerhouse of production, sending these amazing cars out to dealerships from coast to coast. The sheer scale of this operation is something you have to see to believe. The factory floor stretches out for what feels like miles, a labyrinth of conveyor belts, robotic arms, and workstations all moving in perfect harmony. It's over 1,300 acres, which is like having several hundred football fields all under one roof. The logistics alone are mind-boggling. Thousands of parts, from tiny screws to entire engine blocks, are constantly moving, arriving exactly where they need to be at the precise moment they are needed. It's not chaos. It's a carefully choreographed ballet of manufacturing, and every single step has been planned out with incredible detail. This factory is a cornerstone of Toyota's presence in North America. When you buy a Camry or a Lexus ES, there's a good chance it came from right here, built by American workers in the heart of Kentucky. This isn't just an assembly plant, it's a complete manufacturing ecosystem. They stamp the steel body panels, build the engines, and assemble the final product all on site. This commitment to building cars where they sell them is a huge deal. It creates jobs, supports local economies, and ensures that the vehicles are designed and built with American drivers in mind. It's a testament to a long-term vision that has paid off handsomely for both Toyota and the United States. Now, how did they pull off this incredible feat of building a car every minute without compromising on quality? The answer lies in something called the Toyota Production System, or TPS. It's a philosophy, a way of thinking that has revolutionized manufacturing around the world. The core idea is simple: eliminate waste. And when Toyota says waste, they mean anything and everything that doesn't add value to the final car. This includes wasted time, wasted materials, and even wasted movement by the workers. Every single action is analyzed to see if it can be done more efficiently, more smoothly, and with less effort. It's about working smarter, not just harder. This concept of lean manufacturing is the foundation of everything they do at the Kentucky plant. Imagine you're building a model car. You wouldn't want a giant pile of parts you don't need cluttering up your table, right? You'd want exactly the right pieces, right when you need them. That's lean manufacturing on a massive scale. They don't stockpile huge warehouses full of doors or tires. Instead, they have a system that ensures parts arrive just in time to be installed on the cars moving down the line. This reduces costs, saves space, and makes the entire process incredibly agile and responsive to what customers are actually buying. The whole system is designed to flow. A car body starts at one end of the factory and moves continuously through stamping, welding, painting, and finally, assembly. There are no unnecessary stops or delays. It's like a river always moving forward. This continuous flow is key to their speed and efficiency. It also makes it easier to spot problems. If one part of the river gets blocked, you know about it immediately and can fix it before it causes a major flood downstream. This visual and immediate feedback loop is built into the very fabric of the factory floor, ensuring a smooth and predictable pace of production. At the heart of this lean system is a deep respect for people. Toyota knows that the real experts on how to do a job are the people who do it every single day. They are constantly trained to see and eliminate waste in their own work. This isn't a top-down system where managers just bark orders. It's a collaborative effort where every team member is empowered to make their own workspace better, safer, and more efficient. This focus on human ingenuity, combined with brilliant engineering, is what makes the Toyota production system a true masterclass in how to build things right. Let's talk about two ideas that are the secret sauce behind Toyota's success: Kaizen and just-in-time. These might sound like fancy business terms, but they're actually very simple and powerful concepts. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. It's the belief that no matter how good you are, you can always be better. It's not about making one giant revolutionary change. It's about making thousands of small incremental improvements every single day. It could be as simple as moving a tool bin 6 inches closer to a worker to save them a few seconds on every car. Those seconds add up, making a huge difference over time. This culture of Kaizen is everywhere in the Kentucky factory. Team members are not just encouraged but expected to look for ways to improve their jobs. If a worker finds a better way to install a part or a safer way to lift something heavy, their idea is taken seriously. Management listens, and if the idea is good, it gets implemented. This creates a powerful cycle of innovation that comes from the ground up. It makes the workers feel valued and engaged because they have a direct impact on how the company operates. They're not just cogs in a machine, they are the thinkers and problem solvers who are constantly refining the process. Then you have the just-in-time or JIT system, which is pure genius. As I mentioned before, this is all about getting the right parts in the right quantity at the exact right time. Imagine the assembly line needs a specific red door for a Camry. The JIT system ensures that the red door arrives at the worker's station just moments before that Camry does. This is coordinated with hundreds of suppliers who deliver parts to the factory in small batches throughout the day. It's a logistical dance of incredible complexity, but it eliminates the need for massive, costly warehouses full of inventory. The beauty of the just-in-time system is how it forces quality. If a supplier sends a batch of defective parts, the factory will know almost immediately because there's no backup inventory to pull from. The assembly line would have to stop. This puts immense pressure on everyone in the supply chain to maintain the highest quality standards. There is no room for error. This discipline is what helps Toyota build cars that are so famously reliable. It's a system that demands perfection at every step, from the smallest supplier to the final bolt being tightened on the assembly line. It's a tough standard, but it's what makes them the best. When you walk onto the factory floor at TMMK, one of the first things you notice is the robots. There are hundreds of them, and honestly, they are incredible to watch. In the body weld shop, you'll see an army of giant robotic arms moving with speed and precision, welding car frames together in a shower of sparks. These robots can lift heavy steel panels and perform thousands of welds with a level of consistency that a human could never match. They handle the jobs that are dangerous, repetitive, and require immense strength, freeing up the human workers to focus on other, more detailed tasks. It's not about robots replacing people, it's about robots helping people. This partnership between humans and machines is what makes modern car manufacturing possible. The robots handle the heavy lifting and the high-precision, repetitive work, while the humans provide the dexterity, critical thinking, and quality control. For example, after the robots weld a car body, it's the human team members who inspect those welds, using their experience and trained eyes to ensure every single one is perfect. You'll also see smaller, collaborative robots, called cobots, working right alongside people, handing them tools or holding a part in place while a worker secures it. It's a seamless integration of robotic strength and human skill. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is also playing an increasingly important role, especially in quality control. High-resolution cameras powered by AI scan every car as it comes off the paint line, looking for microscopic imperfections that the human eye might miss. The AI can detect tiny specks of dust or slight variations in color, flagging the car for a closer look by a human expert. This technology doesn't replace the expert, it acts as a powerful assistant, helping them focus their attention where it's needed most. This blend of AI and human inspection ensures that every Camry, RAV4, and Lexus that leaves the factory has a flawless finish. Ultimately, Toyota's philosophy is that technology should serve people, not the other way around. The robots and AI systems are tools designed to make the work safer, easier, and of higher quality. They take the strain off the human body and mind, reducing the risk of injury and fatigue. This allows the team members to focus on problem solving, continuous improvement, and the fine craftsmanship that gives a Toyota its soul. It's a perfect partnership where the tireless precision of the machine is guided by the intelligence and passion of the human hand. That's the future of manufacturing, and it's happening right now in Kentucky. For all the incredible robots and advanced technology, the true heart of the Toyota Kentucky factory is its people. You can have the best machines in the world, but if you don't have a skilled and motivated workforce, you've got nothing. Toyota understands this better than anyone. They invest heavily in their team members, starting with extensive training. New hires don't just get thrown onto the assembly line. They spend weeks in a dedicated training facility, learning the Toyota production system and practicing their tasks in a simulated environment until they can perform them perfectly and, most importantly, safely. Safety is the #1 priority, and you can feel it everywhere in the plant. The workspaces are clean, well-lit, and designed with ergonomics in mind to prevent strain and injury. Team members are equipped with the best safety gear, and there are strict protocols for every task. But it goes beyond just rules and equipment. There's a culture of looking out for one another. Everyone is empowered to stop the assembly line if they see a safety concern, a concept called and-on. This gives every single worker a tremendous amount of responsibility and shows that the company trusts their judgment to keep themselves and their colleagues safe. This commitment extends to the overall well-being of the employees. The Georgetown facility has amazing amenities, including on-site health centers with doctors and nurses, pharmacies, and even physical therapy. The goal is to make it easy for team members to take care of their health, which in turn helps them perform their best at work and enjoy their lives outside of it. This supportive atmosphere is a big reason why people are so loyal to the company. They feel cared for, not just as employees, but as people. It builds a level of trust and respect that is rare in such a large organization. This respect for people is also why their ideas for Kaizen, or continuous improvement, are so central to the company's philosophy. Toyota actively solicits feedback and suggestions from the people on the line. They believe that no one knows a job better than the person who does it every day. Team meetings are held regularly to discuss problems and brainstorm solutions. When a worker's idea leads to an improvement in safety, quality, or efficiency, they are recognized and rewarded for their contribution. This creates a powerful sense of ownership and pride, making everyone a partner in the company's success. The impact of this factory on the American economy cannot be overstated. Since it opened its doors in the 1980s, Toyota Kentucky has become an economic engine for the entire region. It provides thousands of high-quality, stable jobs directly and supports tens of thousands more through its vast network of suppliers across the country. This isn't just a factory, it's the foundation of a community. People build careers here. I've met folks who have worked at the plant for 20, 30, even 35 years. Their children have gone on to work there too. That kind of employee loyalty doesn't happen by accident. It's built on a foundation of respect, stability, and shared success. This long-term commitment is a two-way street. The employees are loyal to Toyota because Toyota has been loyal to them and to the United States. The company has invested billions of dollars into this facility over the years, constantly upgrading it with the latest technology and expanding its capabilities. They are committed to building cars in America for Americans. This creates a ripple effect, strengthening the manufacturing base of the entire country. When you see a factory this successful and this dedicated to its people, it gives you a lot of hope for the future of American industry. It proves that we can still build the best cars in the world, right here at home. But Toyota is never a company that rests on its laurels. They are always looking ahead, and the future is electric. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is the work on solid-state batteries. These are a potential game changer for electric vehicles. They promise to be safer, charge much faster, and offer a significantly longer range than the lithium-ion batteries we use today. Imagine an EV you could charge in about 10 minutes that could go over 700 miles. That's the kind of revolution we're talking about, and Toyota is at the forefront of this research and development. And you can bet that the Kentucky plant will be at the center of this transformation. Toyota has already announced major investments to retool the facility to build future electric vehicles, including a new 3-row electric SUV. This factory, with its deep well of experience in efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement, is perfectly positioned to lead the charge into the next era of automotive manufacturing. The principles of the Toyota production system are timeless. They will be just as relevant for building battery-powered cars as they are for building Camrys today. The future of the automobile is being shaped right now, and a big piece of it is taking shape right here in the heart of Kentucky. It's going to be an exciting ride.